Hi and welcome to the Heidelberg PMC here in Wiesloch-Walldorf. Over the next few minutes we want to demonstrate you what the Versafire EV can do and its special features.
The Versafire EV is a highly flexible digital printing system. It is perfectly matched to the requirements of the print media industry with its wide range of applications. The press can process paper stock weights up to 360 grams or 16 points. Duplex large format banner sheets up to 700 millimeters long, and also has a fifth color that is used for special effects and embellishments on the print job. The Versafire EV is therefore suitable for an extensive range of applications. The paper is conveniently inserted in large feeder trays, typically in SRA3 format. Sensors and an air assist feature in the feeder tray ensure that double sheets are not fed. The vacuum suction belts enable a whole host of different materials to be processed with a high level of production reliability. A separate banner tray conveniently feeds large formats up to 700 millimeters in length. Banners up to 1,260 millimeters in length can be fed using the multi-bypass tray. The banner format size allows you the possibility to produce 6-pagers in A4 format, as well as larger posters. The paper is fed from the feeder trays into the press when the print job is started. The sheet transfers to the alignment station, where sensors and servo motors align the sheet to the mechanical feed edge and centers the sheet. This ensures extremely precise sheet feeding from start to finish. What sets the Versafire EV apart is that it consistently produces standard jobs using the 4 process colors CMYK, as well as the ability to embellish with the 5th spot color. As well as white, as seen here, the press offers additional spot colors. For instance, gold, silver, clear, neon yellow, neon pink, as well as invisible red, which can be used as a security feature, for example. The ink shines bright red under UV light. All told, the Versafire EV makes many creative applications possible. A unique designed toner transfer technology can produce a uniform print image, even on heavily textured materials. Coating effects are possible with clear toner as an additional embellishment. And the white toner, with its very high opacity, makes it possible to print on colored or even metallic papers as a way of offering the customer special effects. In addition, it's also possible to print white down first, and then the process colors CMYK, all in one pass. The toner is laid down on the sheet by a transfer belt, and then transferred to the paper through electrostatic voltages, as well as by pressure of the transfer roller. The fuser station then permanently transfers the toner to the sheet at temperatures of up to 200 degrees centigrade, or 392 degrees Fahrenheit. It's important that only printing materials suitable for digital printing and such high temperatures are used. The integrated scanner bar monitors the automatic inline register, as well as the color calibration. This ensures a precise front-to-back register. In addition, the color can be automatically corrected between 2 print jobs with the help of the inline calibration in the event of color deviations over the course of a day of production. Next up, 2 finishing modules. Pre-printed sheets are merged with printed sheets from the press in the interposer. In the booklet finisher, the sheets are folded and stitched. The end result is a stitched brochure. Alternatively, other finishing modules are available. Before a job can be printed, the material profile must be created. For this, the Versafire EV offers a pre-installed paper catalog and additional support with the media identification unit. This scans the paper and suggests a suitable material entry. The selected paper can then be imported into a user-defined catalog with just a few clicks. In the second step, the print job is created in the user-friendly Prenect digital front-end. For this, the print PDF is dragged into the job folder using drag and drop. The Prenect digital front-end then checks that the PDF meets the standard for sufficient print quality by running a so-called qualify sequence. The pre-flight check is performed on the PDF and examines characteristics like whether the resolution of the images is good enough for printing or whether all the required fonts are available. This pre-flight check produces a report that provides an overview of the PDF quality. In the next step, all job settings are made via the Digital Print tab. Prinect offers complete transparency at all times with its live preview feature and shows exactly what effect the settings made will have on the result of the printed sheet. If, for example, a brochure is to be impositioned, there are different selection options like perfect binding or saddle stitching. This means that the job is also already ready to print, and the brochure can be forwarded directly to the printing press. The second print job we are showing you here today is a black banner with white toner. The paper must also be created for this, which can be done using the Media Management tool instead of the Media Identification unit just shown. The paper settings can be easily sorted in the catalog based on specific criteria like paper type, color, or grammage. On this basis, the software makes suggestions from the paper catalog pre-installed on the press. Then the material with the desired characteristics can be selected in a few simple steps via a user-defined field. If necessary, other fine adjustments can also be made. Then the new entry in the Media Management tool is synchronized with the press. This new paper entry is now available in the Prinect digital front end. If white is to be printed on black material, as is the case here, the spot color white must be selected. In order to also ensure a strong opaque white on the dark material, a high ink application can be selected. And with that, the print job is set up. Even these small sample jobs show the special qualities of the Versafire EV. The digital printing press is set up for printing in just a few simple steps. A key feature is the fifth color, which enables a wide range of embellishments, not to mention the broad material spectrum. For example, different substrates like transparent foils and synthetic and metallized materials, as well as envelopes or self-adhesive labels, can be printed. Standard products, like brochures, can be consistently produced with excellent color stability and a precise registration. The Versafire EV also offers specific advantages through the Prinect digital front end. This is how the press is controlled, and is also what enables it to be integrated into the Prinect overall workflow. Offset and digital presses are thus connected in one workflow.
I hope we've given you a good first impression of what the Versafire EV can do and the versatility that it offers. For more details and the possibility to test your own print jobs, we can arrange a personal demonstration either remotely or in person on site. Just get in touch with us. We are looking forward to hearing from you.